Please subscribe the channel. Welcome to my channel MathB. Okay. Today we are going to solve not solve expressing 0.47 bar in the form of P by Q, right? Yes. So in previous class we learned how to express 0.6 bar in the form of P by Q. In the same way only we have to express this also. Just we need to know first which digit is repeating here. In this question, we have 0.47 bar means 7 is repeating, one digit is repeating, right? Okay. So first write this one as a x, let it be considered as a x. This is nothing but what? 7 is repeating, right? We can write 4777 like this. Okay. What is the next step? We have to multiply this equation, means x equals to 0.4777 by what number, children? Yes, here only 7 is repeating, means one digit we need to multiply by 10 only. Okay, now what happens here? So after multiplying, the LHS becomes 10x and RHS becomes, means I thought it will be goes to one place right side, right? So it becomes 4.7777. Okay, this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. In this equation subtract this 1, means you need to subtract in this one equation number 1 0.477 dot. Okay, we are subtracting into equation number 1. So these dots are cancelled and this 7 cancelled. So 7 minus 4 is 3 and 4 minus 0 is 4. This dot as it is. What about left side, children? In 10x, so 1x is gone, means how much left over? Yes, that is 9x. Okay, now what to do? Now just we need to transpose 9 to RHS. So now we have 9x equals to 4.3. Then next equals what will happen, children? Can you tell me? Yes, it becomes 4.3 by 9. Still there is a decimal in the numerator. We need to eliminate that one. To eliminate, we need to multiply by both numerator and denominator by 10. So this becomes what? 43 by 90, that's it, children. So we have expressed 0.47 bar as 43 by 90, where our P is 43 and Q is 90. That's it, children. Okay, let's move to next sub question of this main. That is, we need to represent 0.001 in the form of P by Q. Yes, what is the first step? We need to take this as a x. Okay, then remove the bar, means what? We need to write here how many digits repeating. The bar is upon 3 digits, means the 3 digits are repeating here. So we need to write 001 001. It will be continuous like this. Okay, what is the next step? We need to multiply this equation by 1000. Why? Because here 3 digits are repeating. So after multiplying, this becomes 1000x equals to, when multiplying any decimal with uh, 0 numbers, means multiples of 10, 100, how many zeros are there? That many zeros it will be moves this decimal point. So it moves to 3 places here. It becomes 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. As it moves here, means it becomes these 3 zeros we can eliminate. Okay, 0 0 1 dot dot dot. So we need to subtract 1 from this equation 2. This is the equation number 1. Okay, I wrote in simple way. Okay, now what we can read here, 0.001 001 is equation number 1. Now subtract these two here, in 1000x, 1x we subtracting, it becomes 999x, and here this whole thing is get cancelled, only one left. Then our answer will be what? Our answer will be now we need to 999 send that side, so x becomes 1 by 999. This is our answer. This is our P and this is the Q. Okay, children. I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, you can comment. Okay. Okay, children. Next part of next main, that is express 0.999 in the form of P by Q. Okay, same thing, same event you have to solve this one. Are you surprised by your answer? With your teacher and classmate discuss why the answer makes sense. Okay, let's try what it says. First, we need to convert this one into P by Q form. Okay, so let it be as a x. Just a moment. Okay, children, let's start this question, right? So we need to consider this number as first, let it be x, so 0.999. So can you tell me what is the next step? You have to multiply this one by 10 multiples. So by what number you have to multiply now? How many digits are repeating? Yes, only 9 is repeating, means one digit is repeating. So we need to multiply by 10. After multiplying both the sides, it becomes 10x, and as 1 0 is there, so it moves to one place right side. This becomes 9.9999 dash dash. Now you can sub this equation number 2, this equation number 1. We can subtract both. X equals to 0.999 dot dots are there. Equation number. Now after subtraction we will get 9s equals to this, everything dashes cancel, all 9s also cancel, we will get only 9. So x equals to 9 by 9. So we are surprising here, we are getting the answer 1. Okay, that is the answer in the question they are asking. Are you surprised by your answer? Yes. Why? Why means our value what is there, we have 0.99999. We know how to round off these numbers, right? It will be gives one more raises to here, it raises to here, it raises to here, it raises to this one becomes finally 1.000, means this value is very near to 1 only, plus meaning, right? Same thing only we have done by in our chapters method. Okay, that's it, children. uh, Go to next question. The fifth question, what can the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of digits in the decimal expansion of 1 by 17? Perform the division to check your answer. Okay, let's start dividing 1. Oh, not like that. Okay, we have to divide 1 by 17. Yes, what is the next procedure? 1 is very smaller than 17. So we have to put decimal point here, take 1 0. We have now 10. It is still less than 17. What to do? Put one more 0, again one more 0. Now it will go by 17 how many times? 17 5 are 85, 17 6 are 92, 102. So it won't go. So we go with the 5 only. 7 5 are 85. So what left over? 15 left over. We can take one more 0 as we put already decimal here, right? Okay, now we have to go with which table? 17. 17 5 are 85, we know. 17 6 are more, children. It becomes 102. 17 7 are 119. 17 8 are 136. Again 9 is how much, children? 153, right? Yes, check now. Where is the 50? Nearest to 50 is around 136. So we can go with that only. 17 8s are 136. What left over? Left over is 14. Again 1 0. Just less than 140 is again same number. Just a moment. Okay, again it will go by 18 times in 17 table. So we can write again 8 here. We have to write 136 children. What left over here? 4 left over. Again I'm taking 0 here. But 40 it is there. So it will go by 2. Okay. Then here write 2. Here 34. Again 6 here. So again take 0 right down here. Okay. Right, 60. Again, which is the number near number in 51? 17. 17 on the 17. 17 to the 34. 3 is 51 for the 68, right? So we have to go with 51. Means 3 times is 51. Again, it becomes 9. Again, 0. Nearest value is our again 85. Again, write 5 here. Again write 85. Again 5 we are getting. Again 0, it will go by 2. Again 34. Again we are getting 16. Again 0, so it goes the 9 table. Okay, it will go by 53. Then 7. Okay, so what we have got here 0. Oh, sorry, 0.0588. This one I have to remove here. Okay, I corrected this one first. So here we have 0, here we have 5, right? 0 0.588235, okay, 29. Okay, children. Now again we are getting 0 here, means 70, 4 68, okay, getting 2, again 0, 1 17, again getting 3, again 0, again we have to write 1, 17, 1 17, again we have here 13, 0, so nearest 13 is 130 is 119, that is the 17 times 119, so again we are getting leftover 11. Okay, left over 11. How many digits was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So we have now 11, again 0, again 0 means nearest 110. This is the sixth one. Next 102, we have 8 here, again 80. 80 means 7 for the 68. Okay, 68. Again we have 12 here. Okay, 12 here means again 0. What's the nearest number to 12? 7 then 119. Now we have 1. That's it, children. It's repeated now. What is it repeated? We had earlier 1 only here. Again we got 1 here. Now from here it will be get repeated. Again same thing. Putting 2 zeros, here 1 0. 5 it will continue. If you want we can check. So 1 0 it won't go. Again put 0 here. 1 more 0. 17. How much? 17 5 okay. 85. Again we have 15. Again 0. Oh, same thing. This only this steps on repeating now. 17. 8 136. Okay. Now we have 14. This step repeating now. Again 0. Again 17. How many times? Again 8 130. Like this it will be repeats from after this 7, right? It is repeating means after how many digits it's repeating? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 digits. After 16 digits it's repeating. This is our answer. Thank you. Let's move to next question. If you want to note down please. Okay children, let's move to sixth question. Look at several examples of rational number in the form of p by q where P and Q are integers with no common factors other than 1 and having terminating decimal representation expansions. Can you uh, guess what property Q must satisfy? Okay, children. Means when we divide any numbers uh, of any number, but we need to take the numbers such a way their decimal expansion should be terminated. Okay, for example, if I take 1 by 5, after dividing it will be answer is 0.2. It is terminating now, right? Terminated. If I take 1 by 2 also we are getting 0.5. Okay, if I take 3 by 4 it will be 0.75. If I take 5 by 8, okay, can you tell me the answer after 5 by 8 what we are getting? For 5 by 8 we'll get the answer. Okay, children, let me know fast. Commenting comments. So your answer is now 0.625. 625. Few more example I can take 3 by 25. Okay, yeah, we have 5, right? Okay, right here. I will write 3 by 25. Can we tell me the answer, children? Fast this one. Yes, 3 by 25. His answer is 0.12. You can take any number here, upper value, but both should be what? Their common factor should be 1 only, right? Yes, means co-prime numbers only. See, for example, I taken 3 and 4. What are the factors of 3? 1 and 3. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. What are the common factor between them? 1. Like such numbers only you have to take. Here 5 and 8. Here common factor 1 only. 325. Okay. These numbers having common factor 1 only. Like that number only you have to check. Take and check. Okay. Now I will take 19 by 125. Okay. 19 divided by 125. The answer is 125. 0. Okay, 0.072. Why all the decimal numbers here terminating? Okay, we have to take the co-prime numbers like this, and their decimal exponent should be terminated. Like these numbers we have taken. Okay, so the question are saying, look at several examples of rational numbers in the form of p by q where P and Q are integers with no common factors other than 1. Okay, we have taken. And having terminating decimal representation, yes, these are having terminating decimal expansions. So can you guess what property Q must satisfy? Means here, what denominator is having same common property here, we need to check that one. Okay, let's start check from here. Here what happens, it is 2 is there, base, power is 1. This is 4 means 2 square. This is the 2 cube. And here 5 is means 5 to the power 1. Again 5 square and 5 cube. Means when we divide it by any number with 2 powers, that is and 5 powers, we'll get decimal expansion is terminated. Okay. And one more thing. If Q also having powers of 2, product of powers of 2, powers of 5, also it will be terminated. For example, you can take 2 to the power of 2 into 5 to the power of 2. What is the answer? 10 to the power of 4. It means you'll be having 4 zeros, right? You can divide any number. Take any number. Don't take 35. They won't become what co-prime numbers. You can take 33 by divided by 10,000. What is the answer? Already I taught. If 4 digits zeros are there, means you have to put a dot decimal point after 4 digits right to left side, means this answer becomes 0.0033. If Q is also having product of two powers and 5 powers, okay, then also the decimal estimation will be terminating. Okay, children, this is the concept. If someone asks any number by 5s or 5 powers, we can say decimal estimation will be terminated. 2 powers also, and it contains both 2 powers and 5 powers also will be terminated. Okay. Next, seventh question we'll do in next video. Okay. Thank you, children. Otherwise, you can finish here and it becomes okay. Then move in next video. And thank you, children.